Hello, my name is Sam. I'm the general manager of KOVENA, a global payments company. I've had the pleasure to work with Hotel Link over the past few years, helping develop a very exciting new feature called Hotel Link Pay. Hotel Link Pay is here to help vastly improve your life and experience as a hotelier when it comes to dealing with payments. Many of you will be very familiar with the current infrastructure and payment system in operating a hotel, where you have your operational software like Hotel Link, and then your payment software usually sitting completely disconnected and disjointed from each other. With this old way of doing payments, it really hasn't changed in many years. Typically, if you wanted to get a facility to take and transact card payments, you would go to your local bank. They might provide you with some sort of physical card facility. And once you got in the card details, you would either manually type these into your system or wait until the guest actually arrived and able to swipe their card and charge their card. These systems, as well, when you went to your bank, were very inflexible in how they approached your business, really as a kind of one size fits all mindset the banks would have. If you were a gas station, if you were a clothing store, or if you were a hotel, a lot of the way that they treated you and that you transacted payments was exactly the same. With Hotel Link Pay, we've been able to really fully embed our entire system into your operational software, thus streamlining the entire way you work with credit card payments. Now, this has a lot of exciting benefits to you, and especially when we look at compared to the old way of running payments, because we have the fully integrated system with your card payments and Hotel Link in your operating system now, we're able to do a lot of fun things like charge your cards in line with your deposit policy, meaning that you no longer have to write down notes about when you're supposed to charge cards. You're also able to pull all of the data from bookings and payments in one centralized place, making it much easier and much simpler for your accounting team and your finance team to know exactly which booking was charged with which card. You now also have the ability to charge cards for guests that have not yet arrived at the property. You can pre-authorize the cards for damage deposits, making sure that there's enough funds and the card is valid before the guest ever checks in. And not to mention the fraud and risk management tools we've built into our system that greatly improve our ability to de-risk you as a property from any sort of fraud or malicious person that's coming and trying to take money from your property. A big part of the savings you'll see with a functionality like Hotel Link Pay is for no-shows. Any of these guests that might have booked through an OTA or through direct systems where you couldn't gather their card details before. Hotel Link Pay now gives you this ability, so you can still go ahead and charge their card in line with your cancellation policies. Of course, not to mention the advanced labor efforts that your system and your staff are able to take, meaning that you don't have to pay hourly workers anymore as much as you had before to go ahead and do all the payment processes, the reconciliation processes. And of course, the biggest benefit you'll find with a system like Hotel Link Pay is your customer and your guest experience. They will find a very seamless, very easy and secure way to provide their card details to you as a hotelier while feeling comfortable, safe, and not having to do any of these faxes, forms, or over the phone sort of credit card transaction numbers that they've been doing for a lot of properties in the past. So very happy and very excited to bring this new functionality out to you and Hotel Link Pay, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks so much.